In this video I am showing you how you can see someone former username on Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram app and then open any of the account. So go to the profile person of the any of the person and then click on the three dots in the top right corner, and you can see all these options here, and then click on the about this account. And when you click on this, then you come to this page, and under the account information tab you can see the former usernames. So you can see this option, third option, click on this, and here you can see the all you can see the person's former username. In my case there is no former username, so you can't see this. So you can only see the former username for the public account, so the account that have the that is public. So you can follow this process, and then you can tap on the former username and you can see the account, the person's former username. So that's it, that how you can do. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.